exercises need to be done after 15 days of total hip replacement. First exercise, ankle pumps. Move your ankle up and down 1, 2, 10 times. Second leg. Second exercise is buttock squeeze. So patient has to squeeze the buttocks, hold and relaxed. 1, 2, 10 times. 3. Third exercise is static quads. Patient has to keep one cushion or a towel roll under the knee and press the knee onto the towel. Press the knee on the towel. 1, 10 times. 2, 3 with both the legs. Exercise is heel slides. Patient has to bend the knee but avoid bending over 90 degrees straight. Again 2, straight. Other leg. 1, 2, 5th exercise, patient has to bend one knee and lift the operated leg up and down. Single leg raise. 1, 10 times. 2, 3. Sixth exercise is side abduction. Move leg out, in. 2, 10 times. Other leg. 7th exercise is sit to stand. Patient has to sit from the chair or a bed and then stand. 1, sit. 2, make sure the chair or a bed is high. Do not do exercise on the low chair or low bed. 10 times. 8th exercise is dynamic quads. Patient has to straighten the knee. Kick. 1, 10 times. 2, other leg. 1, 2. 9th exercise is sitting toe raise. Patient has to sit on a chair or a bed and raise the toes. 1, 2, 3, 10 times. 10th exercise is patient has to raise the heel. Sitting calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 10 times.